So today I'm going to show you how I get any small engine started, how I approach it. First thing you want to do, you got to switch on top on this one, turn it on, and then you want to look, there's a choke and a non-choke. When you first start these small engines, you want to put it onto a choke. You want to also check your gas. You want to see how much gas you have. So in this one, I've got a half tank. Then I'm ready to give it a fire up. The reason it's dying is because it is not breathing, so it doesn't have air going into it. So that's when you turn the choke off. So choke off, you can see here on the switch, it goes open and shut. When the valve is shut, there's no air going in. When it's open, there's air going in, so it breathes better. Now let's fire it up. Ready to go. So if it's the first time of the year and you're getting it started, you got to make sure you got the very basics checked. You want to check if you have fuel. So this one's running a little dry. You're going to want to put some fresh fuel into it. Let's refill my tank here. So if you're having a bit of trouble starting your small engine, one of the tricks you might want to try is, we're going to remove the spark plug. We're going to check it out, see what condition it's in. So this spark plug's in pretty good shape, nothing wrong with it. But sometimes over winter, your machine just needs a little easier time to get started. So what I do is I actually dip the tip of the spark plug in the gasoline, or I'll spray just a little bit of gas into the spark plug or into the actual cylinder. Let's tighten that puppy up. Don't want to tighten it too tight. All right. Now let's see how she does. Okay, will she start? I don't know. Put this one in the start. And throttle down. Come on, over there. Okay. Now I bring her over here, pump it up. I usually pump until I feel some pressure. Now you want to put it in your choke position. Might see a bit of smoke coming out of it at first, and then there you go. Okay, last but not least here, I have got this hedge trimmer, and it's the same sort of thing. So like with all these machines, it's the same basic process. There's an on switch. This one doesn't have a lock position, but putting it in a throttle will actually squeeze a bit of gas in there. Then you want to look for your pumper. You want to squeeze it so you feel some pressure. Put it in your choke position. It's fired up. Sometimes I'll toggle it in and out of choke while it's cold. I hope that helped you out. You got an idea, and it's super easy to start these machines. Also that to put the fuel in it is really easy. Leave in the comments down below for me if you can on if you like to see the videos that I'm doing now where I'm talking a bit more, or if you like the silent ones. Anyways, I'll see you again soon, and make sure to like and subscribe.